Happy Easter to you.
Hello, my besties. Have you seen the new chair covers at a Dollar Tree? I was so excited to see a new find. I grabbed one of each and I thought I'm gonna transform them into Easter pillows. Would you like to do it together? Let's get started. Okay, let's open it up and take a look what we are working here with. Wow, I didn't expect it to be so big. And it's a nice thick fabric, stiff felt. I think she is so cute, isn't she? Okay, let's take a look at him now. Wow! Oh my goodness, look at that hat. I love him. This is amazing value. Look at the size of these pillows we're gonna have. Wow! I think this is such a great value for $1.50. The only thing that you can see over here, there's no backing at all. Just a little bit of a flap in the back. So we are going to need some felt for the back. I actually wind up using 2 rolls. This is from Dollar Tree. And an old flat pillow or some polyfilm. At first, let's iron out all the creases that were folded. Believe me, it's such an important step. So take out your iron and flatten it all out. Look at her, younger than ever. We iron out those wrinkles and she looks so good. Right, and now we are going to cover the back with felt. Okay, make sure it covers everything. And just apply hot glue around the edges, going in small section all the way around. Okay, and we are going to leave the top open for now. The glue is already dry and we are just going to cut off all the excess felt around the edge. Oh, this piece will be actually ideal to cover up one of the ears, so I'm gonna leave it on the side for later. But for now, take a look at this. We created a nice pocket here to fill it up with polyfill or an old flat pillow that nobody wants to sleep on anyway. Okay, let's do that ear. I'm thinking to fill it up as well, but how about if we add a pipe cleaner in there? That way we can make the ear bendable. What do you think? Something like this. And same thing for the other ear. By the way, if you hear any snoring, that's not me, not my husband. It is the precious little Coco. Just dab a little bit of hot glue. And then we are going to apply the glue around the edge and cover it up with felt as well. Of course, leave a little opening on one side to fill it up. Okay, let's stuff it up. Make sure you push it all the way up to the tip of the ear. Okay, this is good. And now we can seal it. The other side as well. All right. And now we just have to cut off all that excess felt. Okay, look at that. Nice and fluffy. Better than just a flat flap, right? And you can even bend it with that wired pipe cleaner in there. You see it? Slightly, not so much. If you want to either better, stronger bend, I guess you got to use a better wire. But this is sufficient for me. We're going to do the same thing with the other ear. Okay, we can stuff it now. All right, and finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's fill in that big pocket. And oh my goodness, it is actually huge. It's gonna take a lot of fill. Make sure you fill it in all the way around the edges, and then don't leave any empty spots. A little more. Let's make sure we still can close the flap. Yes. Something's opening over there, so let me just quickly fix it. Let's take a look. I think we can fill it up some more. All right, I think I'm ready to seal it. Right, ready to take a look? Oh, she is so cute. I can't believe the size of this pillow, for $1.50. Such a great piece for your decor. Do you like it? Please give me some bunny and flower emojis. And now I just can't wait to make him. Look at that. He's even bigger with this big top hat. And it looks like one row of the felt is not going to cover him. We're going to have to do it in two pieces. So let's just start around the edge. All right, and as you can see, we have a gap over there between the hat and the fabric. So we have to glue one more strip of fabric up top, cut off the excess, cut off the edges, just like we did before. And we're gonna have to fill it all up. Okay, let's seal it up and take a look. Isn't he the cutest? Oh my goodness. I think he's my favorite. Please give me some bunny top hat emojis if you agree. Of course, you can stop right here. But if you know me, I like to add a little cherry on top. So I pull out some trim, some pom-poms, little flower coasters, and maybe some buttons. And every bunny needs a carrot. Let's see what we can come up with. Oh, wow, I never noticed that before. Did you see that? It's actually a little carrot pattern. How appropriate. Oh my goodness. Now we really have to use it. How about we make it a headband for her? Let's try it. I think that's cute, right? This is a whimsical decor, so of course anything goes. I'm just gonna add a dab of hot glue a little bit here and there. We don't have to glue it all the way across as long as it holds up right there. And we gotta add a short piece on the other side as well. So it looks like it's all around her head, right? Oh, so precious. We love it. All right, and let's move on to him. We are not done with her, but I like to work on two of them simultaneously. Simultaneously? Oh my gosh, what a hard word. That way, they will complement each other. So whatever I apply on one, I'll try to do on the other. And let's see what comes out. And he already has a trim around his hat, but I think this will add a little bit of extra interest. Look how cute, right? He makes such a handsome couple. Let's give them some carrots. You know how we put a feather in your hat? How about we put a carrot in his hat? Or two. Something like that. So cute, I think. And then we give one to her. Yes, I'm actually gonna insert one carrot behind the band over there. All right, let's see what else we have over here. These felt flowers that were actually sold as coasters in the spring section. They had different colors. I think this is maybe a little much, but you know what? this is whimsical. It's supposed to be so playful and fun. I like it, right? I'm just gonna go for it. All right, how about some pom-poms? This is actually a garland, but you can easily pull these off and oh my gosh, so fun. It makes me so happy, as you can hear. Do what makes you happy, okay? Okay, and we are going to add one for him as well. Let's see. Yeah, groupings of 3 always look good. I got these large colorful buttons from the Dollar Tree, and I think I want to use one here. Let's see which color. Ooh, I think blue goes well, right? Yes, let's do it. Actually, you know, the button, I don't know, button would look good underneath a bow, like part of the shirt. But I can't put it that low because then when you put your pillow to rest, it won't be visible. You see what I mean? I think it's got to go up on the bow. Oh my goodness, I can't. Cute as a button. And for her, we have something special because she's a bestie. Have you seen these patches at a Dollar Tree? It says peel and stick, but I don't know. I think I'm just going to use a hot glue. But I'm going to remove an S because she's a bestie. And we are going to glue it right there on her paw, which looks like a little pocket anyway. And that is the final cherry on top for me. Take a look. All right, she's one of the besties now. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you're gonna go around to the Dollar Tree, find these and make your own. So much fun. Take care, my besties. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Me, oh my, there's a lot to buy. There is shopping I must do. Happy Easter to you.